Hello guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So, dito tayo ngayon sa sale ng mga tawag ito, garments ba ito? Shirts, pants, shoes nyo, chinelas. Ito yung brands for less na mga signature clothes, shoes, RTWs na mura. Tulad itong Adidas, 165 lang. Tulad itong Street, 100 plus lang. Sweatshirt. Basta guys, marami mga mumurahin dito na mga branded. Okay? I am just enjoying my window shopping. Hindi naman tayo magsa-shopping. Talagang ang purpose ko lang dito is ma-present yung mata ko. Window shopping nga lang. Okay. Ganda guys, oh. So, katatapos lang namin mag-chit-chat ng aking pinsan, first cousin from Livon. Natapos yung usapan namin around 7 hours of chit-chat. Kasi matagal na kami hindi nagkita. Sharing lang ba? And nice meeting you, baby, for the time being. And I hope to catch up with some of my pinsan out there. Alright? Pinsan sa mother side, pinsan sa father side. So, let's go. Come on. So, dito ako ngayon sa food court. My favorite Papa John's. Pero hindi ko trip kumain ng Papa John's ngayon. Pepper steak beef broccoli, sesame chips, KFC, may Pizza Hut. 15 minutes daw yung chicken joy. Spag joy. Pineapple. Pineapple ba? So, nandito ako ngayon sa Chicken Jollibee, DECC. Yeah, wait. How's the taste?
It's good.
That's good,
I like the spicy one.
Yeah, the spicy one is good. So, it's legit guys. Kumain ako naman sa Jollibee. Jollibee, ibang location. So, let's try Spaghetti Joy. I-rate natin. Review. Charan, spicy chicken, spaghetti, and gravy. Spaghetti taste, okay. 8/10. Remember, pag kumakain ng chicken, iwasan yung mga chicken skin kasi grabing cholesterol. Gravy, 8/10. Spiciness ng chicken, malaki pa, 8/10. Maximum 8. Grabe, maanghang. So guys, ang rating natin sa Jollibee DCC, Doha City Center, 8/10. Ang maximum ko talaga is 8. Walang 10, walang 9. Maximum is 8 because there's nothing perfect. So this is rating 8. Chicken, spiciness, crispiness, ang sarap. Spaghetti, very juicy, ang sarap. Gravy, ang sarap. Yung mga drinks nila, ang sarap. So keep on watching my YouTube channel and Facebook page para sa mga videos na mga food vlogs ko. Bye-bye, enjoy!